As more homeowners in Maricopa, Arizona embrace sustainable living, eco-friendly home improvements have become increasingly popular. From solar panels to energy-efficient windows, sustainability isn't just a trend, it's a lifestyle. One upgrade that often goes overlooked, but makes a major impact, is eco-friendly door installation. Modern, environmentally conscious doors don't just look beautiful, they help regulate temperature, reduce waste, and support long-term energy savings, all while protecting your home from Arizona's desert climate. Here's how upgrading to an eco-friendly door can make your Maricopa home greener, more efficient, and more comfortable. The connection between doors and energy efficiency in Maricopa's hot, sunny environment. A home's entry and patio doors play a huge role in maintaining indoor comfort. Poorly sealed or outdated doors allow hot air to enter and cool air to escape, forcing your air conditioning system to work harder. That means more energy use, higher bills, and greater environmental impact. Eco-friendly door installation focuses on materials and designs that reduce heat transfer and air leakage. These doors create a stronger barrier between indoor and outdoor temperatures, keeping your home cooler in summer and warmer in winter, naturally improving energy efficiency. Sustainable materials for eco-friendly doors. The heart of an environmentally responsible door lies in its materials. Today's manufacturers offer a variety of sustainable options that are both durable and stylish. Fiberglass doors. Fiberglass is one of the most eco-conscious choices for Maricopa homeowners. It's long-lasting, low-maintenance, and resistant to the warping and cracking that often affect wood in Arizona's dry climate. Because fiberglass doors have high insulation value, they help reduce the need for constant cooling, saving energy year-round. Even better, many fiberglass doors are made from recycled materials, making them an excellent choice for homeowners seeking a sustainable alternative to traditional options. Reclaimed or sustainably sourced wood doors. If you love the classic warmth of wood, look for doors made from reclaimed or FSC-certified wood. These materials come from responsibly managed forests or repurposed sources, minimizing environmental impact. When paired with modern weather stripping and proper sealing, wooden doors can provide outstanding insulation and natural beauty, perfect for Maricopa homes that blend rustic charm with modern efficiency. Steel doors. Steel doors are another strong and sustainable choice. They're made from recyclable materials and can be reused at the end of their lifespan. Steel's strength means these doors often last decades, reducing the need for replacements and lowering long-term environmental waste. Many steel doors also come with insulated foam cores, improving thermal performance without compromising security or design. Energy-efficient design features beyond materials. The best eco-friendly doors are designed with energy efficiency in mind. Here are a few features to look for. Insulated cores that reduce heat transfer. Tight weather stripping to prevent air leaks and dust infiltration. Low-E glass inserts that block UV rays while allowing natural light. Proper sealing and alignment during professional installation to ensure maximum performance. These details are essential in Maricopa's desert climate, where sun exposure and temperature swings can challenge a home's comfort and efficiency. The role of professional installation. Even the most sustainable door can underperform if it's not installed correctly. Professional door installation ensures an airtight fit, proper alignment, and durable sealing, key factors for maintaining energy efficiency and reducing drafts. Certified installers in Maricopa understand how to position doors to minimize heat gain, prevent warping, and create long-lasting results. They also use environmentally responsible adhesives, sealants, and insulation materials to keep your home green from start to finish. Long-term benefits of going green. Investing in eco-friendly door installation offers more than environmental advantages. Homeowners benefit from lower energy bills thanks to improved insulation and reduced HVAC strain, enhanced comfort during Maricopa's hot summers and cool desert nights, increased home value due to growing demand for energy-efficient features, reduced maintenance costs with durable, weather-resistant materials. By choosing sustainable options, you're not just protecting the environment, you're investing in a smarter, more efficient home that saves money and resources over time. Final thoughts. Sustainable living in Maricopa starts with simple, thoughtful choices. and installing eco-friendly doors is one of the most effective. With durable materials like fiberglass, steel, or reclaimed wood, and professional installation that ensures lasting performance, you can enjoy a comfortable, energy-efficient home that aligns with your values. By embracing eco-friendly door installation, you'll reduce your environmental footprint, enhance your home's beauty, and enjoy the lasting benefits of sustainable living, one door at a time.